Welcome back to the Roy Garage. My wife's standing behind the cameraman, which makes me really nervous. Normally it's a private party ordeal. Don't litter. Welcome back to the Roy Garage. Today we're going to be getting our true inboard ready for the summer, and if you have a true inboard, you're getting ready for the summer, this is the video for you.
Let's get started.
Let's take a look at some of the stuff we're going to be doing today. We have our bimini that we need to install, batteries to get this thing running, along with a water hookup. We also have a vacuum, so that way we can get this thing clean before we hit the water. Let's get started. Bimini's up. Let's get these batteries in. What is this?
There's only one?
Only one wingy. You only trust them about as far as you can throw them.
Over there, tuck that one.
Alright. This is battery number 2, so let's go to battery number 1. And you? Yeah, let's go find another wingy. See where Dad hides them. Well, guys, we found another wingy here. Dad'll never know. He'll never know.
Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know.
He'll never know. Oh, you know what else we need, Jake? What? There's a zip tee in here. Well, it's a battery cutoff. It's currently on.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah, so I think I'm safe. But you never know. Look at that string. Alright. We got our batteries installed. Let's get some water hooked up and run this baby through some heat cycles. Where them hose at? They're there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. Oh, yeah, I gotta hook it up here. Also, by the time you guys are seeing this video, we had some troubles with Dad's long tube headers, and we got some shorties in there. And if you want to see what those shorties look like, you can follow us on Instagram, The Roy Garage. Here we go.
Early, get on the ground.
I was hoping you'd get on the ground. I've never done this before, Jake.
Good. Don't talk about this.
Crossed off your bucket list. Get my nice shirt dirty, Jake. Oh man, get my nice shirt dirty. If you want to get your shirt, go to the link in the description below. Go to the Roy Garage Selection. Get yourself a Roy Garage t-shirt. Nice thing is with our t-shirts is all of our proceeds go back into all of our projects. All right, we got the water hooked up. Let's go turn it on and get this thing running. Oh, I got a little trick for you guys. How to get cheap gas in your boat. You only have one chance at this, and 9 times out of 10 you probably missed it. You should have put it in last year. We got a full tank in this bad boy. Cheap gas. There it is. All right. We can turn it on now, huh? Want me to do the honors? Yeah. Yeah, switch the battery on for me, Jake. Good? Yep. Here goes nothing. Oh, baby. Ah, it never gets old. Here, Jake, you want the sound down there? Jake.
Lee, what's the temp look like?
Let's see here. Temperature.
Still low.
Time lapse with this?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. First try, dude.
Started right up.
Hey guys, we got the boat started on the first try. If you want to see what we did to winterize this to make sure getting it ready for the summer went smooth, click the link in the upper right hand corner.
Alright, this next part is probably the most important part about getting your boat ready for the summer. It's getting it running, getting some water going through it, and making sure that thermostat and that water pump is working properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the boat. We're going to run the temperature up to, it usually gets about 175, and then if everything's running properly, we'll see that temperature drop. Alright, we're almost to 175, which is about the temperature she gets to, and then we should see her drop when the thermostat opens up. Oh, she's going down, Jake. She went, yeah, thermostat opened up. She went down. Oh, look at that. She went down. Yeah, she went down. Now she's going back up here. Should see the thermostat open up again. And then she'll go back down. Just like that. There it is. Oh wow. There it is. That really opened up. There we go.
Yep, that looks alright.
Get that thermostat, you know, a little exercise before we put any pressure on it in the water. Alright, now that we got the boat running and everything's smooth, time to cover up these batteries here. Put everything back, get this puppy cleaned up, hit the water. Little piece of cake. Yeah. Try to keep us healthy. The look they gave us. Priceless. We need to fix this thing. This needs to be another video on the Roy Garage. Put it on the list. Put it on the list. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and turn on notifications, because next episode we're going to be doing some maintenance on this puppy. He's got to get fixed too. Jake, what'd you do? You got your shirt dirty. Now you're going to have to go to liveroy.co and buy another one. We'll be able to put those proceeds towards our next project.
Alright, final step is to get the boat cleaned up. Thanks for watching this episode of the Roy Garage. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you see or know or are aware of, you know, when a new episode drops. We'll go with that. That's perfect. I like that.
First take, Jake. See, I told you, sometimes you just gotta tag me. I want to be back in.
Before we get started, go hit that like button and subscribe and turn on notifications, because if we get over, I don't know, what do you say, 1,000 likes, Lee's going to attempt to do a backflip behind this boat. Let's get started.